In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to create BeReal account. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now open your BeReal app. Here we go. At the top right corner, you can see the skip option. Tap on it. Now you have to enter your name. After you are done, tap on continue. Now you have to enter your date of birth. And then tap on continue. Now you have to select the country first of all. After selecting the country, you have to enter your phone number and then tap on continue. Now you will be getting code in your phone number. You have to put that code over here. Now you have to create username for your BeReal account. After you are done, tap on continue. Okay, this username is already in use, so I have to create new one. Here I will be tapping on don't allow. Again I will be tapping on don't allow. You can see that I have easily created BeReal account. In this way, you can also easily create your BeReal account. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And please let us know in the comment section what video YouTube recommends you on the screen, and I will see you there.